Working President ka UDP bat Menteri Sarkar ba polling do hakasngin kong ulaong ba kamdon satya kano ka Jingleh ba Phylla Halor karai jong ka Sarkar pan benjur Jingpynjlan ni ka Samoi Treikam jong ka KHADC bat GHADC sahin riubnai ulaong ba hausnem balala ki District Council ki bawan ni kren bat ka Sarkar jela Halor ka Jingdon kam ban penbet ya kisnong kitau jong ki ba pun ki constituency.
Well, I think this was obviously with reference to the fact that last year the state government has already been approached by the district councils for the much needed revision and redefinition of the various constituencies. As you are aware, some of these constituencies have voters of roughly 15,000 to 19,15. But there are some constituencies which have three times that number. So, in all fairness, if an MDC is to deliver, at least there should be a certain amount of parity, and the same MDC should also be able to, in order to enable him to represent the people adequately, there should be some parity, at least in the number of voters of each of the constituencies.
But the opposition VPP is terming this as your right. It is your right of the rights of the people to have new members as per the term of the house.
And that the government is scared of VPP.
Well, they are entitled to their opinions. All I can say is that this is not unprecedented. In the past, the Garo Hills, the GHADC, has had 2 years of extension when Dr. Mukul Sama was the chief minister. So an extension of 6 months, when you compare to what was done in the past, an extension of 2 years is certainly relatively a very brief period.